Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We are here with a tutorial on the copy trading section in the VideForex broker. As you saw, we registered and successfully verified our identity with this broker. We also made deposits and withdrawals using various methods in this broker. Now, to learn about the copy trade section, on the left panel, as you can see, we have the copy trading option. After clicking on it, this page will open for us. On this page, you need to specify a name for yourself. After specifying a name for your copy trade account, click on the Start Copying option. Copy trading, traders by profit. Click for details, profit, win rate, trades, name. In this section, different traders are categorized based on the amount of profit they have made. By clicking on each trader's name, view details. First, see the profit of each trade. Secondly, the win rate. And below, the number of trades that this individual has made. Click on each trader's name to see info like their name, ID, country, and account risk. First, see the number of people viewing this trader. And secondly, the number of people copying this person's trades is displayed. Also, see the account level with info like the trader's profit level, profit in dollars, balance, total turnover, and win rate. By clicking on the name of each trader, you can see more information such as their name, ID, country, and the risk percentage of this trader's account. In the first section, the number of people who are viewing this trader is displayed, and in the second section, the number of people who are copying this person's trades is shown. Additionally, in this section, you can see the account level along with more information such as the trader's profit level, profit in dollars, balance, total turnover, win rate, and the number of trades. You can also see the latest trades that this person has made at the bottom. By clicking on the trades section, you can view all the trades that the individual has executed and the amount of profit they have received. And also in this section, you can see the account level. More information such as the trader's profit level, profit amount in dollars, balance, total turnover, win rate. You can see the number of trades. In this section, you can see the latest trades. Click Trades to view all trades executed. Check if trades were buy or sell. In Copy Rules, see any set rules. Click Watch to add this trader to your watch list. Click Copy to apply settings. Also, you can see whether this trade was a buy or sell type. And in the Copy Rules section, if the trader has set any rules for their trades, you will see them here. By clicking on the Watch option, you can add this trader to your watch list and keep an eye on their trades. If you click on the Copy option, you can apply these settings and copy this person's trades to your account. In the next section, you can adjust the settings related to the copy section so that these trades are copied to your account. Copy this person's trades to your account. Adjust copy settings. Specify trade percentage to copy. Suggestion recommends copying 100%. Start copying. First, specify how much of a trade to copy when a trader opens a position. In suggestion, trader recommends copying 100% of trades. Set min and max for copying trades. After settings, click Start Copying and their trades will be copied. View other traders monthly, daily or weekly, and if profitable, copy their trades. Specify min and max limit for transactions. After settings, click Start Copying. And now, as you can see, this person's trades will be copied for you. Again, you can see other traders in this leaderboard on a monthly, daily or weekly basis. And if you think they can be profitable for you, copy their trades for yourself. Note that copying other people's trades, it doesn't always mean it will be profitable for you. Well, that was an explanation about the copy trading section of the VideForex broker. For more tutorials related to this broker, stay with us. Goodbye.